How to refund Brawl Stars purchases. The first things first is of course you'll have to access your Brawl Stars account. Now once you're here, all you just have to do is just to coordinate with one of the supports from Brawl Stars. Now where do you find that? All I have to do is just simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner and just head to settings. And from here head directly to help and support, and you will be redirected to Brawl Stars support. Now all you have to do from here is just go ahead and scroll down till you find purchases. And from here, just go ahead and tap on the message or the chat box icon located at the top right corner of your screen and just simply tap on leave a message. And from here, your specific screenshots from one of your purchases is very important. All I have to do is just to insert it and explain why you would like to have a refund on that specific purchase. So that's it. That's how you can get a refund on Brawl Stars purchases.